Virginia is striking back tonight with unprecedented political force, responding immediately to a seismic United States Supreme Court ruling that cleared the way for Texas to push through a sharply partisan congressional map. In a 6-3 decision, the right-wing justices signaled that Texas may redraw districts in a way specifically designed to manufacture additional Republican seats ahead of the 2026 midterms. Analysts say the ruling could dramatically reshape the balance of power, but Virginia's leadership is not standing quietly in the shadows. Virginia's Senate President pro tempore, Louise Lucas, made headlines with a fiery message declaring she has something in store for Texas. Her comments lit up political circles, especially when she referenced a historic 10-to-1 ratio, recalling how Republicans once packed black voters into a single Virginia district. Now, she said, they can have one district and see how much they love it. Not a single word minced, and certainly not a message misunderstood. House Speaker Don Scott, standing shoulder to shoulder with Lucas, reinforced that position with unmistakable clarity. He hinted that a 10:1 congressional map in Virginia is very much within the realm of possibility. Currently, the state's delegation sits at 6 Democrats and 5 Republicans, but that balance may be about to shift. And with former President Donald Trump registering a steep -12 approval rating in the latest Morning Consult poll, Democrats believe public sentiment is firmly on their side. The Supreme Court ruling itself has ignited outrage nationwide. Critics say the court overlooked blatant evidence that Texas lawmakers openly signaled discriminatory intent. Yet the ruling insists the legislature must be presumed to act in good faith, and that courts should automatically view challenges skeptically. Even more striking, the Supreme Court suggested courts should avoid intervening because elections are too close, leaving millions of voters exposed to maps drawn to favor one political party. But Virginia Democrats say the time for silence has passed. Speaker Scott delivered a powerful message, telling Malik News that sooner or later you must confront the bully on the block, and this is that moment. According to Scott, Republicans in multiple states are launching an unprecedented mid-cycle redistricting campaign aimed at overriding the will of the people. And Virginia, he says, has no choice but to fight back using every legal and constitutional tool at their disposal. The legislature has already taken its first crucial step, passing a constitutional amendment required to permit mid-decade redistricting. The same resolution will be repassed on January 14th, the very first day of the upcoming session. Democrats intend to move swiftly so the new maps can influence the 2026 elections, a move they say is necessary to protect Virginia voters from partisan disenfranchisement. Scott also pointed to the political climate, emphasizing that Virginians, including thousands of veterans and federal workers, are suffering under federal disruptions, rising costs, and what he described as open hostility from the Trump-aligned political apparatus. Voters responded forcefully in the last election, delivering Democrats a sweeping majority in the House of Delegates, flipping Trump-won districts, and rejecting Trump's economic promises, which Scott said are proven blatant lies. Tonight, Virginia is signaling not just resistance, but retaliation. A political battle of national consequences is unfolding, and the next chapter begins in January.